Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. 1 winner. 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Breakfast? Maybe I should have had breakfast. Little brekkie could be good for me. No, stay focused. Speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
So sometimes I just think things and then say them and they come out of my mouth like vomit.
Alright boys, so we're basically just in Target, just like, because we're at a car show, the Paul Walker car show, and we're just in Target getting like things necessary for us to survive. Right now, I need a cart because my leg is broken. Just kidding, it's not, but like still. Oh, there's Jason, you know. So right now, it's only on 1% battery. It's like terrible.
So you're gonna have to push it.
I can't push it. I can't afford to be pushing it.
We came here for Starbucks originally.
Yeah, we came here for Starbucks, and then
them assholes are closed.
Yeah, and now it's just kind of, we're just driving.
Yeah, we're schmobbing.
Nathan, show them your face. They want to see your face, man. Yeah.
Can you imagine walking around the car meet with this?
Dude, everyone would gas. I'm just.
What are you talking about? They'd be jealous as fuck. Having a hot ass drink. Oh, having a hot ass drink, bro.
You know what I just came up with?
What?
Let's make some hot chocolate right now in the store. You see the mirror?
Oh, what a.
My bad, y'all. I didn't know I was gonna do that.
Oh, you knocked over a little girl's future cup.
That wasn't my fault.
Do you think they're future fans of HBK Lyle? Once they find out that they're featured?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you knew where the hot chocolate was.
I'm going there now. But Jason's in the way. Hot chocolate.
So we have a few select choices of Nesquik is probably the way.
Nesquik's always the way.
But dude, do they have abuelitas? Oh, they have abuelitas.
Do you want to make hot chocolate in the store right now?
I really don't want to get kicked out and then be stuck in the cold.
We go watch the cars.
Yeah, you want to go watch the cars, Jason? You want to go watch the cars?
Yeah.
Catch them on the vlog. Why don't you do
Why would you watch a car?
Why don't you do a cool cutout?
I got you.
Should we do a little montage?
Do a little pull right now. Oh, we call it an LL. It's on Germany. Alright. This is the land of cars.
We got a Lyft driver here too. In case anybody needs a home from the Paul Walker trip.
Hey, Lyft driver right there. Oh, that guy looks like a cool guy right there. Cool guy right there.
Yeah, it's pretty lit. It's pretty lit. We're just those people at a car meet that are always like filming in case something goes on.
You know?
I know. But do they know?
Oh, true. They're gonna be like, you got the land of the pixel.
My people.
GT?
Uh-oh. Someone's alarm couldn't handle it. There's a lot going on right now.
Yeah, like, stuff going on everywhere. I don't even know where to look.
Oh! Ooh, got the drift twins going on over there. The Mustang's going at it head to head. Who knows? Mustangs had enough bottom end torque.
My dream car right here.
27 heart speeds.
Oh, let's pull it. Let's pull it. You think you will? What about the Christmas decoration? Oh, wait.
I know. Oh, no way. Hydraulics is... Bro. Air compressed.
What's a Panda Express right now?
Same.
Alright, another 370. Another 370. There's been a lot of GTs, 370s.
That really happened. That really happened.
Why is everyone doing the dash?
Because it's like 10:30.
He said, it's time to be in bed.
Oh, someone brought the whole family.
The whole squad.
The whole squad.
Another 350. I'd like to do a burnout.
In the Grand Cherokee.
Whips it so hard it flips.
That'd be fucking hard.
That'd be two.
That'd be so hard.
Dude.
Their wheelbases are so far apart. I really want to see something like happen. Two-step.
Oh, truck? Okay.
Smells like rubber. I did. Ricer farts. Oh, the truck? Hickness.
Oh, big
Are we
boy's
dipping
coming
out?
up.
Huh?
Big boy's coming.
I'm like where the Dodge just pulled out.